I wanted to say how proud I am to be celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month as an opportunity to honor the achievements of the Hispanic American community, not only in terms of what they've achieved in the arts and culture, but also the businesses and the many people who've really contributed in many ways to our country. Probably one of the best examples is so many Hispanic Americans that are actually served in the military, which is way out of proportion to their numbers in the population in general. One of the things that I'm very concerned about right now are dreamers. Of course, as you know, President Trump announced a few weeks ago the repeal of DACA.
Congressman Frank Pallone met with DACA recipients in the wake of the termination of the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program.
Somehow there's this notion that they are going to be possibly detained and then sent back to their country of origin is for the most part utter nonsense, because I don't even know whether those countries would even accept them. And we need to reverse that. We need to make sure that the dreamers are protected, that repeal doesn't go into effect, and that we pass legislation that protects dreamers.
Tears overcame New Jersey dreamers at a news conference in New Brunswick. 23-year-old Alma Benavides has struggled to deal with her immigration status since she applied to college.
Unfortunately, I didn't realize that due to my legal status, that many of the schools would not accept me as a student.
I came to the United States for the American dream, and basically the American dream is done. So what's going to be next?
Obviously, I think that Trump's immigration policies in general are the wrong way to go. We should have a pathway to citizenship. We're not doing enough with regard to the Hurricane Maria, and the hurricanes that have hit the Caribbean, but particularly Puerto Rico. Again, the Trump administration keeps saying that FEMA's there and they're helping, but we know that there's a lot more that needs to be done. One of the things that I've been working on is with regard to the healthcare system, which has largely been destroyed, to make sure that the healthcare system is financed through Medicaid, for example, which is an important part of the healthcare system and the way of paying for the system. So we're working on that. I do think that Hispanic Heritage Month is an opportunity to talk about all the contributions that have been made from the very beginning of this country by the Hispanic American community. And that list is endless. And we are very proud, and we want to celebrate those achievements between now and October 15th.